So the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D is here. We are going to be doing a PC build / upgrade on my main computer right here. So here we go. So obviously the CPU is the 9800X3D. We're going to be using the WD Black SN850. This is one of my favorite NVMe. I also have the Team Group T4's Vulkan DDR5 6000 MHz CL30. Moving on, we have the Cryonaut Extreme right here. I will be using my current NZXT Z73 if I'm not mistaken, but it's the 360 millimeter radiator. We are going to be using the Asus ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi. We are going to be powering this up, by the way, with my current Corsair HX1200. Going to be using the Sapphire Nitro Plus 6900 XT SE, a special edition.